The vocabulary word we are exploring now is pendulum. Pendulum. Imagine a weight hanging from a string, swinging back and forth with perfect rhythm. That's a pendulum. Found in clocks, science labs, and even metaphorical language, a pendulum represents both motion and balance. It swings between 2 points, much like moods or decisions can swing in life. Let's take a deeper look at this fascinating word. Meaning of pendulum. A pendulum is a weight hung from a fixed point that swings freely, often used to regulate time in clocks or to demonstrate motion in physics. Examples. The grandfather clock ticked as its pendulum swung steadily. The pendulum of public opinion often swings with the news cycle. In science class, we studied the motion of a pendulum. Short story. Aaron inherited an old wall clock from his grandfather. Inside, the brass pendulum still swung gracefully, though it ticked slightly offbeat. Aaron spent days learning how to fix it. When it finally moved in perfect rhythm, it felt like the heartbeat of his home had returned. The pendulum wasn't just a timekeeper, it was a moving memory of his grandfather's presence.